my goodness, this is so fun.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Did you just get your shit on my nice dress and I just, oh my god. Oh my god.
It's okay. It goes away.
Oh my god. It's gone, Nicholas.
I'm not supposed to be ghetto.
Oops.
Yeah, that shit on, nigga.
Oops. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna kill a bitch.
Never mind. I'm a cool bitch. I'm a shit bitch.
Oh my god. Did you really just get that on my dress? Did you really just stain my dress? Oh my god.
I can't do that.
Did you? I can't tell you. Did you really just stain my dress? And you can't do it. You really? I can't do it. Damn. No. Oh no, your shit. This shit is totally gone. Geneva. Is it done?
No, it's like this.
Oh, bitch, I got my skin. It's okay, cause it goes away. Even though stupid ass Geneva.
What's that?
I don't know.
Do it again. It's kind of creepy.